If I want to graph x minus 4y is greater than 4, I'm going to start off by finding my x and my y intercept. So if x equals 0, then this part goes away. I get negative 4y equals 4. I'm pretending it's an equal sign, which gives me y equals negative 1 when I divide both sides by negative 4. So this is the point 0, negative 1. My x-coordinate is 0, my y-coordinate was negative 1. Okay, and for the other point, I'll go ahead and say what happens if y was equal to 0. That means this part goes away, and I get x equals 4. Alright, so that would be the point 4, 0. So those are my 2 points that I'm going to use to graph my boundary line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0, and 0, negative 1, which is about there. I should ask myself, is it a dashed line or a solid line? This is a strict inequality. It's not greater than or equal to, it's just greater than, which means this will be a dashed line. So I'll go ahead and draw in my dashed line here. Alright, now I need to figure out which way to shade, and I'll test a point on one side of the line. I could test any point, but my favorite point to test is the origin, so I'll go ahead and test that, because plugging in zeros into this inequality is really easy. 0 minus 0 is greater than 4 is not a true statement. This is false, which means that the origin fails to satisfy the inequality, which means no point that's above this line will satisfy the inequality, but instead all the points on the other side of the line will satisfy the inequality. So there's the graph of this inequality.